it's Gem and Jess, and this video is going to be episode 12 of What's in the Box. If you're new to my channel, then welcome. And What's in the Box is a series on my channel where I unbox diamond paintings usually, but sometimes I'll also unbox diamond painting accessories as well. Disclaimer before I begin, you might possibly hear some noise in the background sometime during the video. I live next to a freeway off-ramp, so if you do, I'm apologizing in advance. So let's see what's in this box. I kind of already cut it open because my address was on it, and yeah, I just didn't want to struggle with it. And this is how it came, okay? You know, the trash bag looking with the tape, and super dirty. Like, not excited about that at all. So if you do order, I think this is going to be from Royal Diamond Painting, but I'm not 100% positive, but I'm almost positive that it is. But if you order something from there, I don't know if they still wrap it like this, their packages, but be wary. Make sure you wash your hands after you take this off, which I'm going to do real quick, because you don't want to get dirt all over your painting, of course. Let me rinse that off real quick. Okay. Alright, sorry about that, but there's no way I was gonna not. Oh, so here's the box it came in. It's in, like, I think Chinese. It says diamond painting right here and fashion, and yeah, nothing in English. So unless you know that language, I'm assuming it's Chinese, but I'm not sure. Don't try to translate it unless you feel like it. Yep, this is from Royal Diamond Painting. Okay, cool. I was right. Is that it? Yep, that's it. Okay, cool. So it came with a toolkit. Looks like, I'm not going to take everything out. Looks like the typical small white funnel tray, some baggies, a pen with a squishy, and sharp pointy tweezers, okay? The drills and the canvas. So it came with this little, with tapes around it. So let me see here. Can I open this? No. Okay. Scissors. Where are you? Here we go. I'm so scared. Like, I hate when they do this because I'm scared I'm gonna cut the dang shish kabang, you know? See? Like, oh my gosh. What am I gonna do? Hold on, guys. Let me get a knife. Of course, my neighbor wants to blast music right now, so hopefully this won't be or it won't be heard in the background, but if it does, I'll just have to refilm it. So the canvas is already frayed. Haven't even look at that. Can you guys see it in the video? See that stuff right there? Fraying of the canvas already, so that sucks. It came with this thing, styrofoam tube thing. Let's see what I got. Oh, this is a 40 by 40 poured glue adhesive canvas. Oh my gosh, how cute. Okay, so if anyone's been around my channel or been on my channel for a minute, if you don't know anyways already, I am obsessed with aliens, extraterrestrials, whatever. Not like weirdo obsessed, but like I just, you know, pretty much know they're real. Don't argue with me, okay? So I had to get this because I'm like, well, I've never ordered from Royal Diamond Painting before, so I wanted to try them out anyways. I really messed up at getting a square, but that's okay. This is what I got. Can't really see that well because the lighting, but this is visitor number 2. It's so cute. It's a little alien on the bottom, okay, with Saturn right here and his little UFO right here. And see how it's like tearing out of the galaxy like a wall, but it's the galaxy. Like, I just thought it was super cute, and it has like a little marijuana leaf, it looks like, in between his forehead instead of a third eye. Super freaking cute. I got a 40 by 40 because the small size you could get, I think, was a 30 by 30, but it had kind of like some detail in it, and I wanted to be able to see some of it pretty good, so I got a little bit bigger size. This has, so it has the colors right here with the little thumbnail on it, okay, and It has the name. Oh, that's cool. It has the RDP for Royal Diamond Painting, visitor number 2, 40 by 40 square on the top. So that's cool. This has 45 colors, I believe. Yeah, well, it said on the website if I got a 40 by 40, it would be 45 colors. So let me count real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 20. Yeah, it looks like it's 45 colors. That's a lot, man. Well, I mean, more than what I'm used to. Let's see the symbols. Here's this drill field. If you guys can see that. Super small symbols. But they're not too bad. It's just, I don't know. Not what I'm used to. I just don't really like the dark color, the dark letter with a dark background color, like, you know what I'm saying, like that. But oh, don't mind the nails, I'm in the middle of doing them, I apologize. But I mean, I guess it's not the best drill field I've seen, but it's not bad, you know what I'm saying. But like I said before in one of my videos, I think you don't really know until you start doing it. So, oh, and it did come with an inventory sheet. I still got the tape on the back, so that's cool. It did come with that. Now I can really show you what the picture is supposed to look like. If I can get this open. Interesting. So here's it. Oh shoot, I dropped something. Man down. Oh my gosh, is that open? Oh, I was gonna say. So here's the inventory sheet. That's awesome. They even have it like it checked off. They counted the bags. It has the DMC code, the quantity, and how many bags you're supposed to have. So that's what it looks like. That's what the painting's supposed to look like. So cute. And yeah, see the inventory sheet. So that's awesome. And yes, 45 colors. Good. Okay, let's check these babies out. I'm not going to go in any particular order, just so we can get through this. I want to see how they look, too. Like, they're actually pretty nice. I mean, they're not like, you know, how do you say, Dreamer Designs or Diamond Art Club fabulous, but yeah, they're not that bad. I don't see much trash or any trash yet, but you don't know until you really start doing it. Okay, so let's check these out. DMC 3609 pink, DMC 618, DMC 915, pretty purple color. I can't wait to use that one or to see what that looks like. DMC 702 green, DMC 745. Oops. Yeah, whatever. You see it. Is this the same? No. DMC 307 yellow. Sorry, my camera. I'm trying to focus it. DMC 726. DMC 959. Pretty color. DMC 934. It's like a forest dark green-ish. DMC 91. Wait. Is this 919? I think it's 919, but or it could be. Yeah, it's 919. I'm pretty sure. It's like a brown burgundy kind of color. DMC 898. DMC 783. DMC 371. DMC 3846 blue. Ooh, lots of purples. Look at this. DMC, oh gosh, 154, dark purple. Lots of them. Is this 154 too? No. DMC 3834, another purple color. DMC 964, beautiful color. DMC 315, another purple color. Lots of purples. Ooh, look at all the 310s. Holy mackerel. 310, in case you didn't know, is black, okay? DMC 606, right? Yeah, 606. DMC 807. DMC 498. That's a pretty red color. Can you see it? DMC 3848. DMC 3824. DMC 434. DMC 632. DMC 3354. DMC 305. DMC 996 blue. DMC 340 purple. DMC 167. DMC 977. DMC 3705. DMC 3346 green. DMC 704 another green. DMC 564 really pretty, like a sage color. DMC 832. DMC 647. DMC 720. DMC another purple color 333, really pretty purple color actually. DMC 3607 pink. DMC, what's this, 601, it's like a reddish color, light red or something. DMC 3766, really pretty color. Two more, DMC 3810. Oh no, look, it has a hole in it. I thought I had beads missing. Shit. Or shoot, excuse my language. And DMC 3808. That's really pretty color, dude. I like that color. So those are all the drills. And I forgot to measure the canvas. I always do that. But that's okay. Where am I gonna put these? You know what? I'm gonna put them. Yeah, I'll put them in here for now. Why not? Sorry guys. Let's move this out of the way. Gotta be real careful with. So one of the drill bags has like a little hole in it, so, but whatever. There's that. Let me measure this real quick if I can find. Yeah, my measuring tape. 40 by 40, right? Let's see if it's the image or the canvas. Here's the image, let's see. Yep, it's just the image that's 40 by 40, not the whole canvas. Oh, sorry guys, okay. Well, hold on, let me double check. Because I only did the width. Come on, man, work. Yep, perfect. So it is to size, that's good. The image anyways is 40 by 40. One last look at this little guy. So freaking cute. I really hope it turns out good. Like, I've heard mixed reviews on Royal Diamond painting. Honestly, like, the price is a little too much for me for this kind of quality. Not saying it's bad. It's just I expected a little bit better, especially since they don't even, not that I know if they might license their artists, maybe like one or two, but I could be wrong. But when I ordered this, they hadn't licensed any artists that I know of. So, I mean, and I have another one coming too that was 70 something bucks, man. Like, I don't know, I think they just, I might not be ordering from them for a while, I mean, but that's just me. So, but this guy is so super cute, can't wait to do it. I'm probably gonna work on it next. Thank you to anyone and everyone who watched episode 12 of What's in the Box. I hope everyone has a great day or night wherever you may be. And enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.